as it recently sent off cryptographic money based on Ethereum blockchain. Long money is otherwise called long for conglomeration of yield cultivating. Formally sent off on July 17, 2020, by cronje. Long money happens to commonly be one of the most kind of valuable decentralized finance coins, which is very huge. It is likewise known to be a stage that expands income procured through computerized resources by yield cultivating. Look at this view before we start with definite YFI cost expectation. More well known as the token long, long money has a developing fan following with a goal to boost yearly rate yields and certainly is likewise eminent as APY for its renowned clients, known for holding the acknowledgement for a lofty decentralized project. Long money tokens are used by clients as USDC, USDT, and ETI while executing different exchanges like saving assets, and so on. Under the umbrella of long, a huge number of stable coins get support viz. In opposition to prevalent thinking. DAI, USC, UST, TUST, and SUSD, and they are additionally moved among numerous upheld DeFi conventions like Compound, OV, DAI-DX, and BEND, based on which resource pool is offering the best return. Consequently, we can include different exercises of long money, with the most unmistakable ones being one of a benefit-changing loan specialist to expand loaning yields, going about as a facilitator for stable coin exchanges, no capital computerized vendor for OV, and that of making vaults for getting and loaning needs connected with certainly brilliant agreements. The vital classes to basically pick above classifications are portioned under procured, ZAP, APR, and vaults. It can truly be underlined that long money as a stage goes about as an impetus to for the most part advance stablecoins by means of loaning and getting through BEND money, and simultaneously streamlining pool liquidity with computerized resources. Worth focusing on is that the above lovely whole ecospace of DeFi by long is overseen proficiently and successfully. The YFI token assumes a vital part here. Presently, this computerized coin cost basically is around $21,565.58 with a market cap of $790,708,582.40. The 24 hours exchanging volume remains at $127,896,725.40 with a coursing supply of 36,638 YFI. Despite the fact that put in an exceptionally unstable universe of crypto resources, ideal elements like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly vital part in impacting speculations as well as long money cost expectation. The essential goal of the YFI group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and simultaneously protection, or so they thought. This multitude of variables generally comprise venture guidance by top representatives as well as specialists. The ongoing cost of long money fundamentally rises to $21,555.80. In light of our expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost figure for 2026 is $225,342. With a 5-year speculation, the complete worth of income is supposed to be around plus 621.18%, according to our yearn.finance cost expectation. There especially is potential for YFI cost and show it might go on a higher opinion in the digital currency market. The coin cost could cross $32,320.13 toward the finish of 2022, making it a productive venture. According to our drawn-out cost forecast, the coin could get somewhat impacted by bears, however we'll see the bull ride around 2024 and the coin might exchange between the greatest cost of $25,867 and the most reduced cost of $22,299. The estimated yearn.finance cost toward the finish of 2022 is $28,666 and the YTD value changes may be around plus 33%. In the principal half of 2023, the long money cost will move to $29,416. In the last part, the cost would close the year at $25,984. All said and done, the YFI pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful way. The coin may especially fill quickly, particularly for partnerships. New organizations would carry YFI to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital currency. In the realm of digital forms of money like YFI, there could be estimates of supernatural occurrences. There could be wizardry in the present moment as well. In view of information refreshes, it wouldn't be a misrepresentation that this estimated cryptographic money could break every one of the boundaries and endure everyday hardship, it's scaling above past all-time high. With a touch of tolerance and keeping the certainly trusts high in the drawn-out costs, financial backers can generally expect a completion time toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of YFI would develop dramatically. By when it would not anymore a credulous contestant in the realm of digital forms of money, however a carefully prepared player in an unobtrusive manner. The usefulness of a digital money characterizes its costs. and not its incredible beginning. We should basically investigate the digital money cost expectations by which merchants can settle on a legitimate choice to purchase long money. YFI Value Expectation 2023. YFI has laid out a quick, solid organization and works with the client experience of the item. These highlights can fundamentally assist the YFI with begetting gain an essentially greater cost of $34,766.18 per coin. On the off chance that the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush, which sort of is very critical. YFI Value Expectation 2024 in an unpretentious manner. There are many expectations proceeding for the YFI token, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the environment generally has plans on. There are suspicions that its market cost might reach $35,368.05. The intriguing limited-time adventures might wrap up making the financial backers collect the increases. Albeit the digital money markets are totally flighty, it would maybe take a marvel for YFI to build its cost by that especially much in especially such a short measure of time. YFI Value Expectation 2025. YFI is additionally dynamic in local area drives, taking into account they keep up force gathering a critical market cap. Their drives with an emphasis on schooling, effort, and developments might take them to a considerable degree of $45,829.36 incredibly. A stunning positive thinking is likewise anticipated for YFI essentially because of its predictable exhibition over years. YFI will balance out to bring heroic returns for its clients. YFI Value Forecast 2026. In the event that all markets certainly turn good, this computerized resource is set to explicitly break all hindrances and most certainly perform extravagantly, scaling the top as aforementioned, violating all impediments over the course of the following year. It would certainly give indications of fortune. Supported by hearty, shrewd agreements, explicitly long money cost may effortlessly contact $41,683.07 before the year's over 2026. How does YFI acquire esteem on the lookout? The credit goes to merchants. They have trusted in YFI expecting it would scale apex, transforming the universe of digital forms of money. YFI has stowed its certainty simply based on its legitimacy. YFI has especially demonstrated its fortitude against its rivals, or so they thought. Without a doubt, long money would be worth dealers hard brought in cash. Where could I at any point purchase the YFI? All by and large famous significant trades of the world especially convey the trademark presence of YFI, or so they thought. Agreeable trades additionally provide you with the office of straightforwardly exchanging YFI DeFi token for fiat resources like USD, EUR, GBP, and so on, or other digital currencies on especially many trades. Brokers can likewise profit from the block rewards program on YFI. How would you essentially bring in cash with long money in an unobtrusive way? One can say okay and negative, which is very huge. Is it safe to say that you are watching the development of YFI on the trade carefully? You really want to truly do your own really unexpected level of effort prior to exchanging or putting resources into long money. But for the most part, convenient choice and a